light showing. Going wild, ain't nowhere we're stopping. Pass it on, let it go. Round and round, around, around. Till we overdose. Round and round, around, around.
Hi guys. So today I am doing trying snacks. So I'm doing the trying Dutch snacks, and all this come from like different types of snacks from Snack Bag Grill Room. Okay, so what's this?
That's cheese croquette.
Cheese croquette. But you don't say the T, eh?
No.
What is this?
That's called Mexicano.
Mexicano. And then
Kip corn is
Kip
chicken.
chicken. This.
Frikandel.
What?
Frikandel.
Looks like sausage. And then this.
Meat croquette.
Meat croquette. Okay. And what do we have here?
It's sauce. People used to eat it with the croquette.
Alright. Let me get a tissue. Okay, so I'm trying the. Wait, I remember cheese croquette. Croquette. I've not even tried it, so I'm drinking the water. It has no taste. Okay.
That's some peanut sauce.
I should. Oh my god. Okay. So with the peanut sauce. Peanut sauce. It's alright. It's alright. I mean, I'm not going to like order this on like on a normal day, but it's okay. I think it's fine without the peanut sauce. Yeah. Okay. So now let's move to the second one. This is Mexicana. Okay. What is this made of? Meat. This tastes like it's not meatballs, it's something else. Can't remember. But yeah, this is good. This is really good. Very good. Pretty good. Okay, so I know I like this. Okay. Just try with the sauce. No. Fine. Okay, and now I'm on to the chicken croquette. Chicken croquette.
Chicken corn.
Chicken corn. Chicken corn. It doesn't have a particular taste. I mean, it's not bad. I could eat this with like shito. Yeah.
Peanut sauce.
I think it's good with the peanut sauce. It's good with the peanut sauce. So, okay. So I'll take the chicken corn with the peanut sauce, but this without the peanut sauce, and I'll eat this. I'll definitely eat this. Now, this looks weird. This is meat croquette. I hope I'm mentioning it right. Now to try with the mustard. I don't like mustard though. It's okay. It's alright. I mean, okay. Okay, moving on. And this is, I don't remember the name. What's this?
Fricandel.
Yeah, that thing. You have to try with the sauce.
Actually,
So the
fricandel.
fricandel goes with the curry sauce and mayonnaise. So I think I'll start with the curry.
No, good.
Okay. I have to go with both. Okay. It's a bit strong. This is I don't know what's strongly. I don't know if it's this, if it's a curry sauce or it's this, but this is too much for me. So I think I would go for this and this. So I'll go for the Mexicana and chicken corn. Yeah. So thank you for watching me try out Dutch snacks for dinner. But yeah, I think they're really good, but I'm just picky. I'm just a picky eater, so I'd rather just take these two, and of course my fries, and yeah, and my milkshake. That's all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully I